Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canny Nana. So, from the crystal clear blue skies of Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, I came home to this. So, we have an orange sun and fog mixed with smoke. Nice and cool. The weather is great. It's not humid. It's actually cool. Oh, hey, got a seagull. Um, yeah, so I came home to this. There's no sun here at all. Big change. Going from 90 degrees and 70% humidity to probably about 40% humidity, and it's probably, I think, 65 degrees at home here. Quite a change. So just want to show you my garden. Garden's winding down. My grandkids picked some tomatoes while I was gone. I still have a lot more tomatoes to pick. Lots of zucchini, some peppers, and green beans, lots of green onions. If you haven't already done it, go back and watch my green onion video of buying green onions only once and planting them. And we have seagulls over here. Poor babies. They're looking for food. So green onions, like I said, you only buy them one time. You plant them. I think I have a dozen out here. And what I do is I just snip them off and use them for chives, or I dehydrate them and use them in all kinds of stuff. So, and they're really good. Let's see if I can get over here. I have some zucchini coming. There's a few. This is a zucchini plant that I did from seed, and it doesn't need pollination. It's different kind of zucchini that I bought from Burpee. I bought the seeds from Burpee. We have some other ones in here too. Honestly, I haven't been out here since I got home. Oh, I have some zucchini coming out on here. So this will probably be one of the last batches of zucchini. Oh, bunches of over there. Okay. And most of my beans just got way too hot while I was gone. And even though my son watered, it just got way too hot out here for the beans. So I'm going to plant some more beans and get some fall plants going for all this. Have a bunch of tomatoes here. This got, wow, this needs water. Oh, I think I can always dry some of that. That's my rosemary. And I have a bunch of small tomatoes here. I don't know if I can get over there to show you guys. Probably not the greatest time right now. Let's see if I can get over there to show you some peppers. Let's see. We have the next round of cucumbers coming in. Just bunches and bunches of tomatoes are everywhere. And lots of snails. Way too many snails. If it wasn't for the snails, everything would be doing really, really well. I have a big problem with the snails here. But peppers, I have bunches of peppers. More tomatoes that I have to pick. A lot got smushed. Not sure why. I haven't been out here yet. My tomatoes are going way over there. Some eggplants. Let's see. There's a couple eggplants. There's another pepper. Lots and lots of. Wow. So, there's an eggplant. There's another one. And then lots of peppers. I can't go any further. I have no shoes on. But just wanted to update you guys that I am back and going to start canning pretty soon here. Show you our bromeliads that we bought for the yard. Really pretty. There's just leaves everywhere because it got really windy here. So these are the bromeliads, along with our tillandsias and our Spanish moss. There's the yucky sky again. Well, so much for blue skies. If you want to see blue skies, look at my Cobbles and Lucas videos. And it was really, really blue skies over there. It's crazy how it differs. These are my grapes, and it looks like there's leaves in there, and they are coming up. I have to get out here and do all these leaves. And it's supposed to get windy again, so not sure what I'm going to do yet. But yeah, so as for an update, I'm going to be doing hatch green chilies. I have some of those. I'm going to roast them. I already have a video up of that. I'm probably not going to videotape that. But I will do some canning videos over the weekend. I found some canning lids that I need, some seals. I really don't need them per se. I've got a few boxes of jars, brand new jars with the lids and everything on them. And then I have boxes of wide mouth and regular mouth seals as well. So I'm good on that, but there's such a shortage right now of canning supplies. So I want to stock up while I can. And I found some online and I bought them last night. So I will be very well stocked for that. So canning videos are coming. I know every once in a while when we go on a vacation or we travel a little bit, I put some stuff on for our travel adventures. Just, you know, if you don't like to watch them, don't watch them. Stay with the canning. We're going to be doing some dehydrating videos, as well as what I do with the dehydrated vegetables and fruits and everything, and how you can use them in your everyday meals. Because if you dehydrate, that's great, but you need to know what to do with them afterwards. I make a lot of my own seasonings, powders, and stuff like that. We usually, Labor Day weekend, we're usually at home, and I get a couple 100 pounds of Roma tomatoes locally here. So we didn't do that this year, so I've got to, because we were in Cabo, and they did it last weekend. So I have to now look for some tomatoes that I can source locally, that I can. I have a ton from last year, but I do sauce. I'm going to be making sauce. Might put it on tonight and then can it tomorrow, because my granddaughters are going to be here, so they can help me with that. They love to can with me. But I always need tomatoes. I always need tomatoes. So, and 200 pounds usually doesn't last me the year. This year, because I've been working and stuff, I have more than I normally do, but still not quite enough. I'm holding the camera here because I wanted you guys to see. We have a beautiful plumeria tree right there. It's really pretty, yellow and white. So, so if you guys want to see anything particularly, I'm going to be making lemon or orange curd. I still have a lot of oranges on the tree, and we have oranges year round. We've got 2 trees. I need lemon curd as well. Strawberry jam, probably more blueberry jam or blackberry jam or a triple berry jam or something like that. And then I want to do some more salsa, because I only have a couple cans left of salsa from last year. So I have lots planned. I was going to do another differing chicken canning video, but I went to the store yesterday and they were out. So got to look at the ads and see what I can find, so that I can do some canning, some meat canning, because I'm very low on chicken, and chicken is on sale right now. You should be able to find it very cheaply. Usually, if you can get it, it'll go down to 99 cents a pound. If you can get it that cheap, or thighs, I would suggest that you get it and can it up. So I am going to go inside. There's the orange sun again. Yeah, it's a nice cool day here. It's just very smoky and foggy to go with it. I mean, the fog, I love the fog, but there's no blue sky. It's kind of disappointing right now. Very, very smoky. So let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see me do next. What would you like to see me can? What would you like to see me dehydrate? and I will put that on my list. I'm going to have lots of time here coming up, probably in the next 4 weeks, I would guess. And in between then, I will be canning as well. And more adventures to come. We're going to be doing some more trips and enjoying life to the fullest. Thank you for watching, you guys. Please hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed so that you are alerted to when I put up new videos. Please hit that like button and please share my videos. That helps get the word out about my channel. I have not forgotten about the giveaway. We will be doing the giveaway, and it's going to be for Amazon gift cards. I think that's the easiest thing to do right now, Amazon gift cards. I think because you can buy food if you need food, and whatever else. You can buy anything you want on Amazon. So I think we're going to do that, probably 3 or 4 gift card giveaway pretty soon here. So help me build my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.